Do you ever feel like wanting to take on more sources of income, but you don't have all the time to do it? It is a valid reason since a lot of us are already preoccupied with our main jobs and our private lives, and it is indeed a little challenging to find a side hustle. But what if we told you that there is a simple way for you to make over $600 starting as soon as today? And by simple, we mean allowing another platform or software to handle as much as 90% of the work for you instead of doing it yourself. Imagine that you only need to click a few buttons to make up to $631. There is a wide variety of approaches and plans available to make money online. However, only a select fraction of these have been demonstrated to result in actual financial gain. And one of those things is what we are going to be discussing here today. Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. Before we begin, we would like to make sure that you all are aware of the circumstance. It is essential that you do not take advantage of this method in a way that is unethical. Be absolutely certain that you will only use this approach for positive reasons and in such a way that it will be of benefit not only to you but also to society as a whole. It is also important that you do not skip any part of the video because you might miss some of the important details. And remember, details are everything. So if you're really eager to make some money, make sure to watch this video until the very end. If you want to get started on this, you need to go latium.org. On its homepage, you can go and click Projects for Bid. By clicking it, you will be brought straight to the page where you will find a variety of tasks and projects. Aside from the names of the tasks, the corresponding prices are there too, and you will be paid in cash or in cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum. There are literally unlimited projects that you can choose from on this website, and you could be making a lot of money. If you take a look at the website, you will notice that the platform is sorting the available jobs into a number of subcategories. This comprises a wide variety of services, such as translations, usability testing, software downloads, and video animation. However, for the purpose of this video, we are going to zero in on a particular activity that has the potential to truly help you rake in cash. In order to accomplish this, you will need to look over the content in the graphics and design category. The moment you click it, you will be taken to a page that lists all of the projects that are associated with graphic design. It's possible that you're feeling intimidated right now, and you could be asking yourself if you really should go through with this, because you probably don't have any skills in graphic design. But you don't have to worry about that because for this, you don't need the skill or the experience. In fact, this can be done simply by using several platforms that are perfect for beginners that are watching this video. To start, you can check out one of the projects. For example, there is this logo designing project that will pay you $200 to $300. For this task, the client wants you to design a new logo for their latest project. In doing this, all you gotta do is just click on the project. Doing that will bring you to the page where you will see how much you are going to be paid. All you have to do is follow what is instructed in redesigning the logo. And just like we mentioned earlier, you don't have to worry if you don't have graphic design skills. You can just visit freelogodesign.org and you'll be good to go. Once you check out this site, you can get free services and software so that you will be able to create a logo for your project in a matter of seconds. To do this, all you need to do is to use any resources you have, whether you search for them or it was provided by the client. Perhaps the client provided you logos and text you can use. Then you can use that in making the logo. All you have to do is upload it there, and you can easily use any resource you want and let the platform do the logo for you. To make sure that the logo is appropriate for its niche or industry, you need to choose a category so that the design will be more specific. Once you have chosen, templates are going to start loading up, and you will have the option to choose the look of the logo that you would want to see with the one you are making. With just one click of a button, you will be able to go through pages and pages of logos design that you can use for absolutely free. After you're done creating your logo, you might end up not being satisfied with it. If that is the case, you can just find another design again. The platform is free, so you don't have any limitations to making any design. And just in case the client themselves are not satisfied with the outcome, then you can just send them another design of the logo that you made using the website. After all, you have tons of templates and designs to choose from, so you don't have to be stressed about it. Aside from Latium.org, you can also go to Fiverr, which is another freelancer website you can earn money from. From there, you can find similar projects like the one you found from Latium and use the same technique. After all, you can use freelogodesign.com for this, and you will be able to accomplish projects and earn money using these simple ways. There is a wide variety of logo designs out there. Some design styles are more suited for websites belonging to enterprises, while others are more suited to websites belonging to individuals. After all, designing logos for a living is an option that offers a good chance of financial success. Selling logo designs over the internet can be a lucrative way to make a living, despite the fact that it may appear to be challenging at first glance. You may generate a wide variety of logos, put them up for sale on online markets for logos, and make a respectable amount of money doing so. So what are you waiting for? Check out this strategy and the sites mentioned earlier right now, and start your journey to making more income while inside the comforts of your own home. Comment down below so we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, head to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you!